ChatGPT is a very, very hot topic right now, and there's a lot of discussion going on about whether ChatGPT is going to be replacing our jobs as data analysts, or if it's just going to be completely replacing entire business units. But we're here to say that that's very unlikely in our current climate. And here at IronEdge, we actually believe that ChatGPT is going to be a very useful tool for our productivity in terms of our work roles. For example, here at IronEdge Business Intelligence, we offer a service that we like to call BI as a service. And what that means is we offer a lot of mid-sized to small companies BI tools and help to assist with their Power BI development, as well as some other development as it relates to back-end architecture and general BI services. We do consulting from as simple as building your reports for you to guiding you on your entire implementation. And what that means for us is we have only so many hours in the day that we can assist with a lot of our clients in terms of building reports, finding solutions to issues relating to data quality issues, and building Power BI reports just to be able to get something in front of our clients so they can help us get to where they want to be eventually. Now, one of our main skills that we look for on our team is how can you be productive on your own? And recently we've gone through a string of hiring a lot of new analysts, and although their technical ability is one thing that does make a lot of people shine, we really look for a specific skill that a lot of people on LinkedIn or your typical business journals may not take into heart too much, and that is what we like to call Google foo. And when we talk about Google foo, we're really just talking about the ability to sit down, figure out what your problem is, and be able to use Google in a way that helps you get to the solution a little bit more quickly. There's a lot of people out there that may not have this skill, and you may find yourself Googling your problem and not finding a solution for 1 to 2 hours. But here at IronEdge, one thing that we believe makes a data analyst shine is the ability to solve the problems by figuring out how to ask questions to Google and kind of manipulating your searches to maybe leapfrog into the solution you're looking for. So today we have Greg joining us so that he can lead us into a conversation about ChatGPT and how it relates to creating a more functional workflow and more productive workflow for your Power BI development. Greg, now I don't have a lot of experience with working with ChatGPT. One thing that I've kind of seen online a lot is the fact that there's a lot of sensationalism related to people talking about ChatGPT and the fact that it can write an entire application. Now, when I hear that as a relative skeptic, I kind of think that there may be a lot that people aren't letting on in terms of the fact that this code is AI generated, and it doesn't really seem like you can do much with a simple file that the ChatGPT algorithm is able to spit out. In what way does ChatGPT actually provide any value to someone in a technical field?
That's a great prompt into the topic. Yeah, you're right about there's a lot of sensationalism, and you really have to go through wade through that to see, depending on your role within an organization, how can this be a useful tool in my tool set, right? And I think one of the best ways it can be used is to speed up your development and to increase your production. You can, I think anyone, especially when we're talking about Power BI as an example, we're developing reports in Power BI. You every report might have something new in it that you've never seen before, but you might know how to start, and this is where the tool really comes in handy. You can feed it a situation, maybe you even know a DAX function that you want to use, and you're trying to, isolate certain data. You're trying to filter data. You're trying to sum up data in an unusual way, and just feed that information, and then ChatGPT can generate the code for you. And if it's not correct, it's going to get you likely going to get you started in the right direction.